another nice little thing that we've got from these reports that we've seen or that we are doing is the adoption of the tool set within 365 has increased. Now, when I say the tool sets, I am talking about kind of OneDrive, SharePoint. You've got Teams, you've got Exchange as normal and everything else. But it's more about the OneDrive and SharePoint. Because people are utilizing this to sync files, to put files in the cloud so they're not on the machines. I'm sure we've all been there when something goes wrong with the machine and IT say, right, bring it in, or we'll have to change it. And then you're like, where's all my data? Well, it's gone. The hard drive's corrupted, and people are syncing up to OneDrive now, which is good, which is great. You've got that ability. You can access that data anywhere you want then. Same with SharePoint. But the question there, though, is how are you securing that data?
Yeah, so that leads on to another report that I saw from another one of our partners, actually. Again, kind of still with the security theme, but this time looking at the data, like you say. And actually, with all those risks out there, we know that's a risk. We can put in some of the things you've just talked about with MFA and looking at other security measures, but there's still that concern around protecting the data, and is your data secure? And actually, Stuart, am I right in thinking that a lot of businesses maybe aren't aware that they should be kind of backing up that data, and many people still think that just because your data's in the cloud, it's automatically secure, but it's not.
Yeah, there's a perception versus reality argument here. So the perception is I'm in the cloud, it's all secure, it's all backed up. If anything goes wrong, I can go retrieve it whenever I want. That is true to a point. In terms of Microsoft will back up their infrastructure. So if basically OneDrive goes down for the day, they will have backups of your environment and then restore it. And, so you've got your OneDrive data. But they don't back up your actual data. So if, for example, let's go back to the global admin. Someone's got access to the account via the global admin access, and then they go and delete a load of data in someone's OneDrive, or they go delete a lot of SharePoint environments. Now, the way Microsoft would see that is your global admin's done that, we've not. So they're not going to recover it, because as part of the service agreement, and I think it's in 6.1 or something like that within the Microsoft agreement, it actually states your data is your data, and you need to protect it and you need to back it up.